Hello viewers, today I'm gonna show you how to add car modes in Bus Simulator Indonesia. So let's get started. First, tap on modes. Then tap on download modes vehicle. Then select car. Then tap download. Now go back to the game. Then click on import. Then click on device gallery. Then tap on download. Then tap on. Then tap on free. Then tap to garage. Then tap to use. That's it. Your car mode is added. If this helped it, make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful video. Thank you.